Janet with Try It Like It, Grade It, and today I have an unboxing for you, and this comes from Tonic Studios. What I have in front of me here are, I guess you could call them like a magic dip. I think some companies call it that. Other companies call them mystery boxes. Tonic just calls them by what they are, but you don't get to see what comes in them. So they are a true mystery or an unboxing. And I have the original pricing here. So I bought all 4 of the packages, and they sell for, what was it? I think it was $5.99 a package. They are not available right now on their site, but they do have some other mystery packages, and you kind of want to just keep paying attention, or subscribe to their mailing list so that you get the information. But so let me just push a few things off to the side here, and we'll go through what I got. So as best as I can tell, I bought the 4 different boxes, and it all came in one big box. So I separated it out by the categories that I kind of feel like they fit into. So this first one was called the Nuvo 1. And I got 3 items here. So I'll just take them out of their packaging with you and show you what they are. I really like Tonic's packaging. They're really just very, very pretty, especially the Nuvo line. And so I got 3 items for $5.99. So the first one I have here is called Vintage Drops, and this color is, does it say on here? Gosh darn. I am not seeing, oh, there we go. Pioneer Green. All right. And this Vintage Drop sells for $4.99 on their website. So these are not closeout items. These are items that are still available for sale. So I think they were clearing out their warehouse or something. Now this one is glitter drops, and it is, does it say Aqua Mist? And it has some sparkle in there, if you can see that. And this one is $3.49 on their website. And then the last one I got is this Nuvo Glimmer. Love the color on this. So pretty. But let's just see if we can take a peek in here, because this is just gorgeous. There we go. There's the paste. You can see it's a little thick, isn't it? It's, yeah. Yeah. Look at that glitter on my thumb. Can you see that? All right, so this glimmer paste was $8.99. So a total for these 3, if I were to buy them separately on the website, would be $17.47, and I paid $5.99. So that was a deal. The next one is a set of dies, and this was called the Die Set 1. I got 4 smallish sized dies, so let's just go through these. This one here is a corner die, and it is called Just For You Corner Die Set. This is what it looks like. So here's the corner, and then we've got maybe a flower and another grouping here. Looks like this could even stack on top of this here. So that's kind of nice. Maybe all of this could stack on top of that. I don't know. The sample that they're showing, I don't think is showing this product, but that's okay. This corner die is on sale right now for $5.99, but it retails for $8.49. This next one was interesting, and I kind of had to look this one up because I wasn't sure what it is. But once I know, it really does look like what it is. It's a mirror. So this is the the handle, and then you could put some reflective paper behind it. This one is called Exquisite Hand Mirror. And this is on sale right now on their site for $5, and it retails for $6.49. Now this one is interesting because I almost just ordered this one because it looked interesting to me. I like the square shape. I like how it has, it looks like this outer square comes off, and you've got the inner square here. This is called Clarence Tiles Die Set. There is another Clarence Tiles, and I think they were ovals, but this one is the square set, and this retails for $6.49. And then the last one here is quite interesting to me. I think what I would even do with it, cutting out all of these little holes and so forth, is that I might use it as a sewing template. Like if I cut this out of cardstock and then use some embroidery floss and sewed through the openings, I could get a pattern here in the middle, or I could, go around in and out and get a design by adding some embroidery floss. And this is called Diamond Swing Oval Die Set. And this one retails for $8.49. So if I go by the retail pricing, the 4 dies here were $29.96. If I go with the 2 that were on sale, it would be $25.97. And I paid, once again, $5.99 for those. Then the next thing I got was what's called tools and accessories. So I got 3 items here with tools and accessories, and the very first one is this set of large craft magnets, and they are 15 millimeter or 5/8 inch by 1 and 32, 1 over 32, 1 and 30, is it 32, 30 seconds, 32, I'm not exactly sure how to say that. 1 over 32. Large craft magnets, 12 pieces or 6 pairs. And yeah, this is just called large craft magnets, and they retail for $9.99. Once again, all of these products are available individually on their site. Now this is a Smooth Precision glue pen. I don't know if these are refillable or not. I really haven't read up on it. But it looks like it has like a brush tip to it. That's interesting. We'll have to see what it says. Ingredients: acrylic emulsion and water. All right. So this is a glue pen, and it retails for $4.99. So this in itself almost would be the fee, right? So that's interesting. It's not a brush, it's metal at the end, and I am not, I wonder, do I need to squeeze it, or do I need to, I gotta take the little protective cap off. Okay, and now it looks like a pen, and we just write with it, probably not on my skin, but yeah, so there, you can see glue comes out in a pretty nice line. So that is a glue pen. And then the last thing I got as part of the tool set is a Tim Holtz product, and this is called a media grip, and I had to look up how to use this. It is 10.5 by 12. It's called a media grip, and you can see here that it's sticking to the window here. This retails for $11.99. I watched a video on Tim Holtz, and you can see here on the side it talks about using this. So basically it's another set of hands. All right, it comes with a removable protective film on it. All right, and you take that off, and then you can cut it to whatever size you want to use. So let's say you make a lot of cards and you want to cut it down to the size of the cards that you make. You can cut this down, and then you put it on a glass mat, or your Tim Holtz mat, if you will, and it grips you know, it sticks down to the glass surface, and then it will hold your paper in place. So if you're doing ink blending or so forth, your card stock won't move around on you. Or if you're doing a stencil, it won't move around on you. The video I watched of Tim doing this is that he said he has 3 of them. He cut them all down to different sizes, and then he puts them in a plastic protector sheet. His kind of opened up, had 2 sides, was plastic, and then he wrote on the front of the plastic sheet what size they were and what they were used for. So that's interesting. I'm not going to take it out of the package right now because I'm not sure if I'm going to cut it down or if I'm going to use it whole, but I'm interested to see how this will work. And then the last, so to tell you the total of the tools and accessories, those 3 items totaled to $26.97. The last set I bought was called the paper one. And I got a stack of paper. So this first one I got here is the Principal Pearlescent Card Collection. And this is 6 by 6. And let's see if I can just get into it here to show you. There we go. All right. Sorry about the wrapping. All right. So this is the Principal Pearlescent Card Collection. It comes in majestic gold, ivory sheen, pearl white, onyx black. These are 6 by 6. There's 4 colors and 6 of each. So yeah, that is definitely a pearly black. There's that, and a more yellowish color, and then a more, I don't know that I'd call that ivory, but maybe in the light that I have here it looks ivory, but to me it looks rather white. So here's my notes on a white piece of paper. It's closer to white, I think. So this retails for $8.99. And then the next one I got was this one, Craft Perfect Presents Moonlight Rose Mirror Card Collection, Chrome Silver, Burnished Rose, Frosted Silver, and Rose Platinum. Once again, 4 colors, 6 of each. So let's see if I can get into this. All right, so let's see what these come. Ooh! All right, so there we go. Rose. There's a lighter pink. What are they calling that? A burnished rose. Rose platinum. I'm not sure which was which there. There's silver. And there's a burnished kind of silver. So one's very highly magnetic, and then there's one that isn't quite as much. Now my first sheet here has a ding on it. Looks like it came through from the cover of the package, but we can just work around that, hopefully. So that is the Moonlight Rose. And then I got some large 8.5 by 11 sheets. Both of those 6 by 6 pads were $8.99. I don't know if I said on the second one. But then I got some Craft Perfect Mirror in Baroque Rose. This is 8.5 by 11, 92 pound, and I got 5 sheets of this. And this retails for $3.49. And it says, interesting that it says here 5 sheets, and then down here it says quantity 8. So you know what, we're gonna have to take a peek. Once again, oh, you know what, it's double packaged, that's why. All right, so I believe it's 5 sheets because there is a package inside the package. So I think the outer package had 8 of these packages inside. if that makes sense. So it makes sense to me, hopefully to you too. Okay, this one is specialty card. It's called Double Cream. It's an A4 luxury embossed card. It contains 5 sheets. It's acid free, and it's got, it says double cream, but it does have a light yellow cast to it. I don't know, my lights don't seem to be helping with the brightness here, but in my studio here, it is definitely more of a yellow color. I'm looking to see if there's anything here I can compare it to. Anyway, this retails for $5.49. And then the last one I got was Mirror Card Turkish Turquoise. There's 5 sheets, high gloss mirror card, acid free. Yeah, 8.5 by 11, 5 sheets, and this retails for $3.49. Did I say that double cream was $5.49? I don't know if I gave you the right price on that. Okay, so the 6x6 pads were $8.99. The mirrored 5 sheets of mirror card were $3.49, and the double cream was $5.49 for a total of $30.45, and I paid $5.99. So that each one of them is a great deal because I'm paying just a small portion of it. And if I look here on my notes, if I total up each one of the 4, retail would have been $104.85. All right, and this is what I paid. Now this is just the retail price. This is not shipping. This is not tax. All right, it was just $104.85. What I paid was $23.96. I had a $2.39 discount code. I paid $9.99 in shipping and $2.22 in tax for a total of $33.78 versus $104. So that's a third of what all of this would have cost me individually. So were they all things that I would have ordered for myself? That's a hard one to answer. I definitely would have gotten the tiles, which would have been $6.49, and that alone was more than the $5.99 I paid for that pack. So in a sense, I got 3 more dies to try out for free. And then the Nuvo, I love Nuvo products. I love the packaging. So I'm happy to have those. That's great. The tools, I can use all of them. They're all very interesting. And yeah, I'm really intrigued by the media grip. I didn't even know something like that existed. And I don't know if I needed it or not, but I'm happy to have it for that price. And then for the paper, I can always use paper. I don't have any of those metallic colors in my stash, so that's good to have as well. So I think I made out really, really well. Keep your eyes open. Like I said, I didn't see them available right now, but I have done a similar kind of mystery order with Nuvo in the past, or with Tonic in the past, and so I know that they do these every so often because this is my second go at them. So yeah, I think it was a great bargain, and I know that right now they have some other mystery packages. They're priced, the last I saw, they were priced a little bit higher than what these were, but I'm assuming you're going to get more in your packages. So thanks for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. That always helps me out and helps out my channel. And if you'd like to see more of this or crafting tutorials, then definitely give a subscribe. I'd love to have you come along and join us in our crafting.